Assalamualaikum. My name is Safa Amjad and my department is biochemistry, and today my topic is that Vesper model or a Vesper theory. The first of all, the Vesper stands for the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, and it is a model and it is used in the chemistry to predict the geometry of the individual molecules and from the number of the valence electron pairs and from the surrounding central atoms. And let's move to the examples of the Vesper theory. And the first example is the methane and methane CH4. The methane is a tetrahedral molecule and the 4 electron pairs and 4 hydrogen atoms are positioned at the vertices of the tetrahedron, and its bond angle is 109 and it's referred to the delta X type of the molecule. Let's move to the second example of the Vesper theory, which is that ammonia. Ammonia is has 3 electron pairs and it has but there is a large electron pair in the nitrogen atoms. And after the introduction and examples, let's move to the history of the Vesper theory. And firstly, the idea of the correlation between the molecular geometry and the valence shell electrons is proposed in 1939 by a scientist which is known as the Rutairo in the Japan. And there is a method used in the Vesper theory which is known as the X method, and the X method is used when applying the Vesper theory, and it has many examples. For example, it shows that delta x to E1, delta x to E2, delta x to E3 and delta x3 E0, and its shapes and the molecular type, and its shapes are bent, linear and trigonal planar, and so many examples such as NO2H2O and hydroiodide, etc. and so on. Let's move to the degree of the repulsion of the Vesper theory, and such as that the bond of the higher bond order also exerts the greater repulsion than the pi bond electrons, which is contribute. For example, as that isobutylene, such as CH3 single bond C, double bond C is greater than the CH3 single bond C CH3, as shows that, and its angle is 124 degree and its angle is 1.5. And after the degree of the repulsion of the Vesper theory, it's moved to the Vesper model. The Vesper model is a model which is used to predict the geometry of many nearly molecules and the polyatomic ions, and which has the central atom is known as the non-metal. And there are many examples and the structures which consist of the molecules and the polyatomic molecules, which has the central bonded atoms, and such as that carbon dioxide structures are shown as carbon dioxide, which is the structure is linear and 180 degrees a bond angle. SO2, which is a bond angle is 119.3 and SO2, and its shape is bent. And NH3 is a bond angle is 106, and its the trigonal pyramid is the shape, and it's after the BCl3 is angle is 120 and is trigonal planar. And the last shape is the BRF3 and its angle is 86.2 and its shape is the T. And after of this type, let's move to the last. In the end, we discuss about the application of the Vesper theory model, and the Vesper model can be used to predict the geometry of the three-dimensional molecules, and the shapes, and the three-dimensional shapes may be bent, linear, trigonal, planar, and the many trigonal pyramid and the T-shaped molecules. And so this is all of my from side about the Vesper theory, Vesper model. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.